Hello and welcome to my workshop. Just going to do a very quick brief review of the Parkside cross-line laser. This is one I bought some time ago, and in actual fact they used it to help level the shuttering on when I was laying the concrete base of this shed. Anyway, so here it is, what you get in the box, a slightly dusty box. You do get batteries, they're already in there. You get the laser, you get that holder there, and you get a manual. Comes with a 3-year warranty. That there is a clamp that will twist around on a ball, and this allows you to clamp it to all sorts of different things. So for example, I could just pull that down. Been a bit uncooperative. There we go. Right, a couple of rubber pads. You can, let me just show you, clamp it to a bench. Like that. And that does go in there. If you loosen that off, you can twist that up there. And then you can twiddle that round to your heart's content. Like that. Has two modes. One, that is the self-leveler. If you unlock it, it switches the self-leveling on. And what you can see there, let me just see if I can find something that will show that up. There we go. That's a beam at close range, you can see. And if you get that too far out of level, this will self-level to within 4 degrees, but if you tip that out, it'll start putting its lights out, and that will go red. When it's green, it's self-leveling. And the other way of operating it is to put that on, and then just show you there, you can tip that over to whatever angle you like. And its range is about 7 meters, which is what it claims. Let me just turn that off and also show you that it also fits on tripods. Oh, and it does come, there's your battery box at the back, and those are the batteries it came with, which are 2 AAs, and it fits on a standard tripod mount. Like that, which is the same on most tripods. It's standard 1/4 inch, 6 millimeters, and then you can put that round wherever you like. And again, take the lock off. That's basically it. So, fairly straightforward device. One more thing I'm going to do, actually, very briefly, is just wind this all the way down to the bottom. Let's just have a look at how wide that opens. Just lean across there, grab that. So it opens 2 and 2.5 inches, or centimetre start at the other end. 62 millimeters. So probably 16 millimeters, 2.5 inches. So it will fit onto a 3x2 that way, but it will not fit on a 3x2 that way. So there we have it. And when you want to put it away, you have to put that up, wind that up to put it back in the box. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please please like, share and subscribe.